been over 4 weeks to get this in my hands, and now we have a chance to do unboxing on a Dieselmekken pump. So let's check it out. Bubble wrap, some stickers, more stickers. More bubble wrap. And there is a pump. Here we have new SuperTurbo pump from Dieselmekken. Can't wait to fit it in patrol. Oh, junks, it's fine. That's me. Looks like this. Let's fit it to the car. There's more details how the pump looks like. So it's a RS201 OM605 pump, 5-cylinder version with the external Alda for more boost. Yeah, fitted with a 7.5 millimeters elements. Yeah. Some description about the pump, some settings, brand new O-ring, so everything ready to go to the car.